Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this purple ombre nail design using Revel nail dip powders. The products I'll be using today are Revel Nails, Rhythm and Lola, some circular glitter that I got from Amazon, and Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate the nails. Now I apply 2 layers of clear acrylic powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then I dip it into the clear acrylic powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into the clear acrylic powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Starting on the pinky nail, I apply base to the whole nail and then I dipped it into my Lola dip powder. Then I apply base again, and now I'm sprinkling the dark purple dip powder on my nails and I focus it on the tip area to create my ombre. And then I sprinkle the light purple on my nail bed area. Then moving on to my index finger, I did another ombre. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. So I placed the two colors in a container and I swirled it together to get a marble effect. I had already applied 1 layer of Lola on my ring finger, so now I'll be applying base again to my nails and then I would lay my finger into the marble mixture. On the middle finger, I applied base to 3/4 of the nail and then I dipped it into the Lola dip powder. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2 layers. Now I apply base to the tip area and taking my dotting tool to pick up the circular glitter and place it on the nail. Now on the thumbnail, I did 3 layers of the dark purple dip powder. And then I apply some of the circle glitter on my nails as well. Then I apply some activator to the glitter to remove any of the residue from the glue that may have still been on the glitter. Then I encapsulated the nails with some Pro Dip Clear Dip powder. I did a few layers to build the nail, but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied some activator, waited a while and then began filing. So if y'all would like to see how I usually file my nails, I have a video on that, so I'll link it in the cards. This is after filing of the nails, and now I'm applying my Model 1's gel top coat to my nails and I cured for 30 seconds. And when the nails cool down, I applied some cuticle oil. So if you like this video, you're gonna wanna check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!